guys, welcome back to the channel. So before we get into the reaction today, I just want to kind of talk and just see how everybody's doing. I know everybody's kind of cooped up at home with this quarantine.
Coronavirus!
A lot of us have, you know, some more stricter stay-at-home restrictions than other places, but I just want to, you know, shout out to everybody just to make sure that you guys are safe, you know, staying at home when you can, you know, if you have to, you know, any essential workers out there, you know, like that, you guys are holding it down for the rest of us, and we really appreciate that. So I just thought I would give a shout out to everybody, you know, that's doing their thing right now and making life a little bit easier for the rest of us. Just want to say thank you. To get into today's video, Fit for an Autopsy, one of my favorite bands. Everybody knows this. If you're a member of the AMBreacts brigade, if you're not, I'm sure Aaron will drop the link down below. You can go follow it, come join a Facebook group, hang out, lots of cool, you know, cool people there, like-minded people, like all different types of music. It's a great place to just chat and just hang out. So, Fit for an Autopsy released a new single today. It is called Fear Tomorrow. And I read a little blurb or something on Instagram, like they were promoting this, like it was a good time to release the song given, you know, the current circumstance that we're in at the moment. Yeah, I'm super excited. I waited to react to it, so I have not heard this, but I'm really stoked. So let's check this out. This is Fit for an Autopsy with the song Fear Tomorrow. In 3, 2, 1.
Tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow creeps in this petty pace from day to day to the last syllable of the
Oh, this is gonna be dope, man.
All our yesterdays have lighted fools their way to dusty death. Out,
I got goosebumps.
Brief candle.
Beautiful. Oh, dude. Why wasn't this on the album? Visuals are crazy. Oh yes, yes sir.
Like serpents from their holes, we're slowly ignorant. The punishment is permanent rules.
This thing is, man. I'm not ready for this, man. It's gonna drop at some point. They're just teasing us. his music video. Yes! Fuck yes, dude. Jesus Christ. So, that was absolutely phenomenal. Honestly kind of speechless. I mean, kind of skimming through the lyrics here and seeing what this is about, and, you know, relating it obviously to what's going on currently around the world is just, I'm just kind of mind blown at the moment. I mean, I'm kind of biased, obviously, because this is one of my favorite bands, but like, just musically, this is like in the top tier of what they've put out so far. I mean, it's amazing. You know, they kind of fooled me there at the beginning when I thought that this epic breakdown was coming in, and they threw in a guitar solo, and then they throw the breakdown at the very end. And obviously I lost my shit, as everybody saw. But yeah, fantastic track. These guys are awesome. I don't know if they had this like in the queue or something that they were going to put out after they put out the Sea of Tragic Beasts. Not sure, but yeah, fantastic song, and yeah, it was great.